Before anything else, make sure that the device is unplugged to avoid any electric shock or any hazards. Do not spray directly to the monitor. Grab a microfiber cloth and spray the cleaning solution. Then, wipe the monitor gently. Use a brush to remove the debris and dust on the keyboard. Remember not to spray directly on the keyboard. Instead, grab a microfiber cloth and spray the cleaning solution. Then wipe the surface of the keyboard moderately. Remember to unplug the mouse. We must not spray directly to the mouse. Instead, grab a microfiber cloth and spray the cleaning solution. Then, wipe the mouse gently. Be careful in wiping the sensory lens. Next is to wipe the cord.
Open the File Explorer and select Uninstall or Change a Program. Choose a file that you want to uninstall, click on it, and right-click on it, and select Uninstall. Wait for the process until it is uninstalled. Open the Windows Defender. Click Scan Now and wait until the process is done. So now the process is done, and as we can see, there are no threats were detected on my computer during this scan.